So, you're thinking about launching a supplement brand. But where should you start? At NutriCap Labs. As a full-service supplement manufacturer, we provide everything you need to turn your great idea into a great product. And we mean everything. Because unlike online brokers that claim to be manufacturers, we really are. At our FDA-registered facility in the United States, we source and stock the world's largest selection of standard and exotic ingredients, so we can make virtually any supplement you need when you need it. Unlike all other manufacturers that make you order thousands of units to get custom products, we'll help you create a custom formula from scratch when you order just 144 units, so you can develop a standout product without a standout budget. All our products are tested in our on-site lab, and we give you the opportunity to purchase samples, so you can taste, test, and perfect your custom formula before you order a full run. Plus, our full-service design team can help you create an awesome logo and label. Ready to order? We have the fastest turnaround times in the industry. 5 weeks, not 12 to 16. We'll even store and ship your product for you with no minimums. Why wait? With NutriCap, get everything you need to develop your great product in one place, so you can focus on building your brand. Contact us to start crafting your custom supplement today.